Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how we can resolve the problem of Google Chrome updating. Actually, I was doing and trying to update Google Chrome on my Windows 10 and this error came up. Actually, the problem is this error is not updating. And how we can resolve this problem? As you can see, we are using the latest version of Chrome build and Chrome version, but still it is not going through. I can refresh and then show you. It starts updating and checking, and it will show you that there is an update available. You see it is showing updating, and once you will see it is finalizing, it will show the error, and this is the error came. So the update is available, so we can do some tweaks, and I'll show you that we will go to our services first, because sometimes the services are disabled and not working properly. So we need to go through the services and try to stop or start them. I'll show you which one we are going to do. This one is Google. As you can see here, Google Update Service. And this one is right now disabled. So we will go right click on it, properties, and then you see, make sure that you are on the right file or service name, and then now we are going to, it is not showing any start or stop option right now, so we just apply and then try again in manual. Now you can see here is a start button, so click on it. Once you will click on it, and it should start the service. In case you see this kind of information, no need to worry about the same information. It is here. Why I'm showing you twice or thrice? Because I have two solutions. This is the first solution I'm going to show you now, because I have two solutions. This is the first solution I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to do automatic, and automatic is doing the same. Welcome back. The thing is, this service is not starting. So the problem is, either way, we are doing manual or automatic, it is not working. So sometimes it works, and when it works, you can directly just update. But in case it is not working, so you need to go on this page where Google Chrome you can download. You can try to update Chrome, as I'm going to show you. You click on that link to update on this page, and they have got steps. You follow the steps, apply pending updates, and it will start updating. But if there is no option, then it is giving you direct option just to download, and you can click if the download is not started. I have already downloaded, so I'm just going to click on this exe file. Now the process has been started, so it will take around 30 seconds, and new Chrome version browser will be installed. So this is the second option, because not for everyone the first option will work, but sometimes it works. You will not lose any kind of file, any kind of bookmarks, any kind of sessions or cache. So no need to worry about. You are just going to install this new version manually, and same way it will be updated like you update your browser directly from your browser update settings. It will not take a long time because doing very quickly, as you can see. So installation is almost done. Here you go, installation complete. We are going to close it. Now we are going to back to our update page where I was showing you. Now we are going to refresh, and you can see here the update is completed. Now you can relaunch. So this is the default way how you do it. I hope you liked the video and you know now how you can rectify the problem. As you can see, the version, new version is installed. Blue tick mark is on the left hand side, and this is the version we were going to update. So this is the second way I showed you how you can do it. But sometimes it helps with the first option, second option, and the third option. I mean, this is the last option. You can go with that. Now I show you, did we lose anything or any bookmarks? No. You see, my folder of 2022 is still there. My bookmarks and other bookmarks bars, everything is there. I'm just going to show you the session or downloads. I was downloading a couple of things, so you see the download which I downloaded recently, Chrome file. Update is not impacting, or the new installation doesn't impact to your browser, so browser will stay the same. So now you can delete or keep this file, exe file, because our process has been done what we wanted to do. Thank you for your watching. Have a great day.